Yan. So, you say, happy...
birthday, Mom.
No. No. Not happy birthday. Say, happy 9 years to you, Mom and Dad.
Happy New Year, Mom and Dad.
Boyoy. Slowly, happy...
Happy
9 years...
9 years
to you and... to you, Mom.
to your Mom and Dad.
Okay, what's up guys? It's me again, Miko Dominguez, your millennial entrepreneur, welcoming you back to our channel. For this episode today, iibahin natin yung content. It's going to be a little more personal video because today, November 25, 2020, na sinushoot ko tong actual video na to, marks the 9th year na sinagot ko or sinagot ako. Hindi ko alam kung depende ko kayo ng kwento ipapakinggan ninyo nung aking ex-girlfriend na ngayon ay asawa ko na. Okay, so para malinaw sa lahat yun yung usapan dito. Anyway, I chose to do a video like this because we have been busy since, di ba, yung usapan na wala na yung ligaw moments and stuff. So nawala na yung parang mga kilig moments, yung mga ligaw-ligaw stuff. So 9 years is a long time. So to be clear, ito yung sinagot ko siya nung sinimulan niya ako ligawan way back in 2011, no? So, video ko to, kwento ko to, and I'm sticking to my story na niligawan niya ako at sinagot ko siya. Anyway, in the past 9 years, we have been through ups and downs. Nasimula nung girlfriend-boyfriend pala hanggang mag-asawa, then may kid na. And ngayon, 9 years after, two properties, 1 car, 1 marriage, 1 4-year-old baby, and another one on the way. So the past 9 years was a blessing for me. Sana sa kanya din. But it was a great blessing for me. Kaya again, I'm doing this video or a tribute video. Yun yung gusto kong i-share to the whole world that it may not be a smooth sailing journey or ride, but I won't have it any other way. Huwag na natin masyadong gawing cheesy or dramatic effect. I'll just show some pictures mula nung first date pa lang, nung first picture namin together, and then some family pictures to reminisce yung what has been happening in the past 9 years of our relationship. So to Joyce, to my wife, happy 9 years na simula na sinagot kita. Hindi ako nagsisisi na sinagot kita. Again, this is my vlog. This is my channel. So I stick to my story. Gawa ka ng video mo if you want to dispute. Hindi, joke lang. Anyway, happy 9 years. Simula nung officially we're together. And I know there are many more years to come. Lalo may parating pang another big blessing to welcome the 2021 for us, for the whole family. Thank you for everything, lalo sa pag-aalaga mo. Sabi ko nga sa past vlogs, simula nung pinanganak si Kylie, para siya yung pangalawang anak because ako yung panganay talaga, dahil you have been taking care of me as parang panganay talaga. So come here.
Okay.
Talk here. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Yan. So you say happy
Birthday, Mom.
No, not happy birthday. Say happy 9 years to you, Mom and Dad.
Happy New Year, mom and dad.
Boyoy. Slowly, happy
Happy
9 years
9 years
to you and to you, Ma.
to your mom and dad.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. I know how your mom is going to be great soon. Bye bye. Sure I know.
Oh, Mommy's waiting for you na. Okay, so pumasok, muntik pa ma-spoil yung surprise. So pumasok si Joyce. But yeah, I guess that's it. Happy 9 years together, officially. Husband and wife, girlfriend, boyfriend. Happy 9 years and many more years to come. Hopefully kasama dun sa years na yon yung baby boy. Joke lang. Sana. If it's in God's will, it will. Yeah. Anyway, so that's it. And nakinilig ka? Or na-touch ka ba dito? Anyway, again, this is Miko Dominguez, your millennial entrepreneur, sharing you good vibes, business insights, menus from Timplang Lalaki, and sneaker stories, except for ngayon lang because it's a special personal occasion. Signing out. See you soon!